Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'll be making some banana fritters. Now, banana fritters was in fact the first thing I ever learned to cook as a child, and I was allowed to be in the kitchen by myself doing all the ingredients and everything. Now for today's recipe, you're going to need some ripe bananas. Here I have 3 ripe bananas. I have a mix of cinnamon and nutmeg, 1 teaspoon each, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of brown sugar, and I have some vanilla essence. Now some people add baking powder as well, and they add egg as well. My thing with baking powder is when it rises, it tends to absorb too much oil, and I don't want an oily fritters, so I rather just do it without the baking powder. So let's get it started. Now the first thing I'm going to be doing is mashing my bananas. I'll just be using a fork. You can use a potato masher if you would like, but these are overripe, so they're very easy to mash. Remember, clean hands. So my bananas are all mashed. Next I'm going to go in with my brown sugar. I'm also adding a pinch of salt. Next I'm going in with my spices mixture, nutmeg and cinnamon. And this is followed by my essence, which is 1 teaspoon. And my flour is going to be added in gradually. Pretty much just folding it in. And go in with the rest of the flour and continue to fold. Okay, so my batter is ready for frying. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Not too thick and not watery. Okay, I'm gonna get the oil ready. I'm using my ice cream scoop. Make sure your oil is hot. my gosh, that kitchen is smelling so good with these fritters. Place it on a paper towel. Pour that oil. Yeah, this one is done as well. Drain out the excess oil. Place on a paper towel. And here you have it, guys, my banana fritters all done and ready to yum. Thanks for watching. See you next time.